take control of the morning. So you take control of your day on the morning. So you can on your day. Start your day right. So the rest of your day falls into place. Schedule your time. It's more important than anything else. Sleep 30 minutes less. Give this time to yourself. Are you happy with your life? Are you happy with where are you? Are you happy? If you answered yes, then turn the audio off. And if you answer no and you want to grow, then keep listening this. Start every day with at least 5 minutes of powerful energy. 5 minutes of positive energy first thing in the morning can change your entire day. And if you can change your entire day with consistent positive thoughts, you can change your entire life. Can you do more? Can you be more? If you know you can be more, you need to commit to being more. And you need to start now. You need to commit now to start every day with the mindset of someone who loves the life, the mindset of someone who is going to win the day. No matter what happens, you won't lose, and you will win or you will learn. You will win the day because you will set your day up to win. Your first job is to give thanks. Give thanks to you are alive. Give thanks for everything you do have. Give thanks for everything you usually take for granted. Set your intentions for the day. Set your goals for the day. Give thanks in advance or for the things you want. Put the intention out in the world. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the amazing opportunities coming my way. Thank you for the character I showed today. Thank you for every smile today. Thank you for every laugh, every moment of fun. Wake up with intentions by setting those intentions the night before. Wake up with only positive intention. The morning is not the time for phone. This morning is the time to get sync with what you want. Create an unbreakable morning routine with a consistent routine that will soon bring consistent result. This morning, ask yourself, how do I want to feel today? How do I want this day to go? This morning, ask yourself, how you start the day is usually how you are going to live your day. If you started believing it's going to be right, chances are it will be. If you start your day with the intention, you are going to be happy today. No matter what happens, chances are you will be happy no matter what happens. If you don't start your day off in the right, at the first challenge of task, you will break. You will respond with the negativity rather than the positivity. And what are the chances of challenges showing up? Probably around 100%. So make sure you are ready for these challenges. Ready with an unbreakable spirit. Ready with a positive mindset. Ready to redirect any negativity. Care after the life you want. It's a must. Don't let it get run after it. Plan your day. If you know where you are, you will eventually get where you need to go. If you have no direction, you will end up in the wrong sections. Successful people have intention and they have the direction. They know where they are going. That is why they get there. Whatever you want to do in your life, like it can be meditation, it can be reading, it can be listening song, whatever makes you happy at the morning, do that. When your mind is positive and clear, you can handle any task, can't you? And when you can face challenges with clear mind, they lose their powers. The most important things to do first thing in the morning is get yourself in a powerful state. If you are in a great mood, you will produce a great result. You will have a great day. The better your attitude, the better the result you produce. The better your attitude, the better you can handle, overcome and thrive through challenges and difficulties that come on your way. So get yourself. Most people aren't happy today. Don't be the most people. Be the minority. The minority who start their day with positive expectations. Look at yourself and repeat to yourself, today is going to be a great day. No matter what happens, today I will see the good. No matter what happens, I will do the right things. No matter what happens, I will give my all today. Today I will give my best. So tomorrow will be better. We all have the same amount of time, but some people make the most of it and some people rush through it. Make the most of yours. Live with a smile on your face. Believe you are deserving of a great life and get out there and create one. If you change your thinking, you can change your life. So how do you change your thinking? Well, how do you change the body? You change the body by changing what you feed and what you work on your body. The same is true of your thinking. Change what you feed your thoughts. Feed it with positive affirmation and belief. Feed it with new knowledge on self-development. If you learn how to change, you will change. Work out your mind with books, with audios, books and audio. Expand your existence of the mind into something new. Grow yourself by learning more. Grow yourself by doing more. Successful people do no matter what this brings, a challenge or a miracle, an unexpected blessing, whatever it is, I am grateful for it. Affirm to yourself every day, today will be a great day. Something magical will happen today. Something truly amazing will happen today. Don't be afraid of missing out. Be afraid of being in the exact same place as you are now. 1 year from today, 5 years from today, or 10 years from today. Visualize that you are chasing your dreams. You achieve the passion of your life. Visualize what are going to do today. Do it every day and you will see that one day you are living the life which you dreams before. So this time is yours and this is the time which is going to create your destiny. So create this time a masterpiece. Say a once. You will gonna to work hard and hard and hard and hard. You are unstoppable. Thank you for watching the video. For more such videos, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified.